the lawnmower. So here we go. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if it'll start. Okay, it started. It's gonna be loud. Guess what? We're going. Whoop. Hold on, I ran into my porch. So I hope that Emily and Sophie are there watching. Hey. Hey. Trying to get out of here. The opening's not very wide. It's just wide enough to get my lawnmower through it. Okay, here we go. Where my cat eats. That's my back door. This is my alley. And that's my other shed. That's my white shed. There's my red shed, and my house. There's my white shed. You can't hardly see it because it's covered in ivy. That's my neighbor's house. That's my fence. There's my car. Okay, we're gonna go for a ride down the road. There's not much down the road, but we're gonna go for a ride. There's my neighbor that never cuts their grass. There's my other neighbor. His name is Frank Gorski, and he owns like a couple thousand acres here that he farms, so he's like the biggest farmer around here. And that's all his field right there. If you look way in the back, there's an old railroad station way back there. Okay, we're going to turn around. This is the Catholic Church right down the road from my house. to my house. It's right here on the right. And if I had to, I would mow, but I don't have to mow, so I'm just going for a ride on the tractor. Yeah, my gutter's falling off because we're working on the house. We're painting it. I'll show you the end. So this is the end. We painted it yesterday. There's my other shed again, and we're back home. I'm gonna drive by my red shed. Red shed, and we're going back in the yard. And this is where I keep the lawnmower. Okay. Did you have fun? You got to ride on the lawnmower, James. Okay, bye.